Hey everyone, it's Brad from STL Tax Auction Map. I just want to do a quick demonstration of some of the new features I added on the latest version of STL Tax Auction Map. Start out by going to the latest map from the St. Louis City Sale 206. Once the map loads, you'll see the new API switch from Mapbox to an ArcMap version of the API. Offers a better pop-up display, shows all the attributes included. Thanks to your feedback, decided to look into adding more data. So I was able to come up with 87 variables in addition to what the city and counties provide for the tax auctions, which is all available for display here in the table, which is dependent on the visibility here. You can see all the different filters here in the table view. You're also able to see how many properties are available at each auction right here. For example, this one is 99. So we'll refer back to this in a second. Just want to show you some other features. Map adjust, scale, and detail as you zoom in. Pop-up includes the tax ID at the top, followed by all the other information. It's all in alphabetical order. It's all fairly intuitive. Just take some time, look through it. My favorite feature I want to show you is the filtering data, which is really powerful to do multiple queries and find exactly the right property that you're interested in. In order to do that, you go down here, click the filter button, click that to add more, and this is the one right here, create a custom filter. Open that, allows us to select the layer, there's only one. Alright, now we can get started building our expression to query the data. We're going to start by looking at which of the properties are vacant and which ones have buildings on them. So I'm familiar with the data. I went through and looked at it already, and what I want to know is where the vacant properties are. So we're going to use this attribute here, vacant land, and we're going to search for the ones that are. Drop down here, unique, to pick unique values, and then we'll do yes. So query automatically updates. We're looking at just the vacant properties now, so we can close that. There are all our properties. If you want to find out which ones are left, zoom out a little bit. We have 21 properties that are just vacant lots. So we can go ahead, look through that. Lots of data here. But I also want to do something else. One of the options here is the tax appraisal total. So I'm only interested in the vacant lots that appraise for more than $1,000. So I'm going to go back into my filters, zoom out to make sure you can see them all. And then in addition to the filter I already made, I'm going to add another expression. So I'm just going to type it in. Appraisal totals, total numbers. And for my query, I want ones that are greater than 1,000. Sorry, I said 10,000 before. I'm just going to do 1,000. And then hit enter. So now we have two queries here together. Only vacant land and only ones that appraise for more than 1,000. So it looks like we have 7 properties total out of 99 that meet that criteria. If we're not sure, we can always open up our table. Oh, we actually have 9. 9 properties here. So if that's all I want to do, another option I have here, options, export all to CSV file. Okay. Now I have the option to save it as a spreadsheet. I got all the data right here. If I'm interested in bringing that spreadsheet to the auction, print it off, here's all the land tax IDs here in numerical order. All right, so once we do that query, if you want to do another one, open up the filters, just close out of the other ones. Goes right back to our 99 original properties. Let's say I want to find properties that are just in a certain ward. Go here, type in ward, ward comes up, number is, we have another, we can do greater than, less than, let's just go with is. You can type in the one you want, or what I like to always do is just go to unique, and then you'll see all of the wards for this auction. So all 99 properties are in one of these wards. So I'm only interested in ward 15. Takes me right to all the properties that meet that criteria. Close out the filter. There are my properties. I can click on them. Oh, 3716 Arsenal. Okay, I'm interested in this property. So there's a few things I can do. One thing I like to do right off the bat, highlight the address, search in Google, open it up, take a look. There it is on Street View. Looks okay. Yard could use some work, but nothing I'm too concerned about. Take a look at it on Street View. Looks good. Go back to my map. I want some more information. So I added under URL a link that goes directly for each property to the Geo St. Louis website. So here's some more information. Got the address, zip code, owner's name, parcel IDs, zoning, assessor class. It's all right here. Go down to parcel history, go back and see how it's changed over time. Building information, we see that it's built in 1910, 2,200 square feet. Again, all this information is also in here. So if you want to do the filters by when the building was made, how big the properties are, it's all here. You can do it that way. Baths. See what kind of inspections it's had. Okay, no big deal. One thing that you really want to look into though with these properties is searching for the liens. So in order to do that, just go in here and grab the tax record number, which has these hyphens in it. It's usually the same as a parcel ID. Go to this site, parcel, drop it in here, search. Here's our liens right here. We see this property has a water lien on it for almost $1,000. We see MSD's put a sewer lien on it, almost another $1,000. So that's something that you'd have to deal with. So all the links for Geo St. Louis are included in here. Let's do another one. Okay, 3656 Danica Avenue. Start out taking a look at it. Okay. Next thing I want to do, scroll down here till I find URL right here. Click it, more info. Here's all the information on the property. Grab the tax record here, copy it, throw it in this site, search. Again, this one looks good, it's clean. No liens on this one. All good stuff to know before getting to the auction. Super easy to do all through here. If you don't want to go through Geo St. Louis, you can also grab the parcel ID right here. The only trick is to remember to put in these hyphens. But it's always after the 4th in the 6th. There we go again. All the data is right here in the map, everything you're going to need. If you're interested in custom queries, just let me know and I can write the queries for you, send you the maps. I'm working on a data dictionary. Got some other stuff in the pipeline that's exciting, and probably going to add the Jefferson County auction as well as the St. Charles County auctions to the map. All that is going to be included in the membership for the year. So let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me at STL Tax Auction Map at gmail.com or through the website. Thanks for your time.